you have to take proper balanced diet. Okay, a diet which contain all the nutrients in right amount. Clear? So what is balanced diet? A diet with all essential nutrients in proper proportion required for the body. Is it same for all? No, it is not same for all. It depends on the age, it depends on the gender, and it depends on the work. If you sit in the office, if you sit for the whole day, you don't have to do any physical work, आपको कोई hard work नहीं करना, then your diet should contain less amount of carbohydrates and fats. If you do hard work, if you go for outdoor games, if some person pulls rickshaw चलाता है और some hard labor करता है, then his or her person's diet should contain a good amount of carbohydrates and fats. You are growing. Which nutrient is required by you? You need more of proteins, because proteins, they help to grow well. They help in the formation of new cells and tissues. Okay, beta? And what you should eat in order to grow well, in order to remain healthy? First of all, to get carbohydrates, you should take rice. You should take the something which is made up of cereals like bread, chapati, etc. आपके जो तीनों मील हैं उसमें या तो राइस होने चाहिए या फिर ब्रेड और चपाती होनी चाहिए in order to get energy, in order to get carbohydrates. Then to get proteins, you should take milk and milk products. Okay? जो आप देख रहे हो पिक्चर में, fish, milk, milk products, nuts, they are good source of proteins. As you are growing, आपकी growth हो रही है, तो you should drink milk 2 to 3 times a day. Milk पसंद नहीं है तो you can go for milk products. You can go for curd, पनीर, चीज आप ले सकते हो. Okay? अगर आप फिश और मीट नहीं खाते हो, then you can go for pulses. Pulses are also the good source of proteins. So growing children needs proteins. To get proteins, you should go for milk, milk products, pulses, nuts, etc. And soybean is the richest source of energy. Then you should eat plenty of seasonal fruits and vegetables. आपको सीजनल फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स भी लेने हैं in order to get. Yes, Prabjot ma'am, kindly allow them to chat. Yes, beta,
Okay,
write down. Why do we take fruits and vegetables? We take fruits and vegetables in order to get vitamins and minerals. Okay? सो ये नहीं कि हमें ये सब्जी पसंद नहीं, हमें वो सब्जी पसंद नहीं, हमने ये दाल नहीं खानी. इन ऑर्डर टू स्टे हेल्दी, इन ऑर्डर टू गेट ऑल न्यूट्रिएंट्स, यू हैव टू गो फॉर all seasonal fruits and vegetables. Okay, then along with this you should take roughage salad also, and you should go for 6 to 8 glasses of water. That is also essential. Now nutrients in the balanced diet. तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे one by one सभी nutrients which are required. First of all, look at this picture and tell me which is the main nutrient present in all these food items में. इन सब में से जो main हमें source मिलता है, किस nutrients के ये source हैं? All these food items, they give us carbohydrates. Okay, and carbohydrates, they are energy giving food. Clear? They give us energy, and they are present in two forms, starch and sugar. Clear? Starch and sugar, they are the carbohydrates which we obtain from these food items. Sugar gives instant energy, jaldi digest हो जाती है, easy to digest, and source of starch, cereals, bread, potato and rice. That's why our diet contains chapati and rice in order to get carbohydrates, और rice bread पोटैटो से हमें स्टार्च की फॉर्म में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स मिलती हैं, और जो शुगर मिलती है वो आपको पता है कि स्वीट्स में शुगर होती है, चॉकलेट्स, हनी, ग्रेप्स, मैंगो, बनाना, इन सब में शुगर भी होती है. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर स्वीट. So sugar gives us instant energy. It's easy to digest. And next, proteins. Name a few protein sources of proteins. Yes, it's milk, milk products, nuts, egg, soya bean, spinach. Okay, all these are good sources of proteins. But अगर आप अंडा मीट नहीं खाते हो तो you can go for pulses. आप pulses खा सकते हो, nuts खा सकते हो. Clear? And peanuts, etc., groundnut, and all these are sources of proteins, and you are growing and your body needs a lot of proteins. So 2 to 3 times a day you should drink milk, or you have to take the milk products, and they are called bodybuilding food, and they help to form new cells and tissues. They help to form new cells and tissues for the body. Clear? So they help in the growth, and their sources of proteins are nuts, fish, egg, meat, and pulses. Clear? Next come the fats. Fats are also essential because a few vitamins are there which are helpful to the body. Only fat is present. They are fat soluble, like A, D, E, and K are fat soluble, and fats give us heat and energy. Okay, sources of fats are milk, butter, nut, cheese, etc. You need fats also in small amounts. But when you take fats in more amounts, when you take carbohydrates in more amounts, then your body stores that. Okay, body के अंदर वो skin के नीचे store हो जाते हैं, and you become obese. Obese means मोटापा. आप मोटे हो जाते हो, and obese person is prone to many heart problems. कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल बढ़ जाता है और हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती हैं व्हेन यू आर ओबीस. So if you take carbohydrates and fats in more amounts, then you should go for exercise. You should burn that. Clear? वो calories जो आप extra ले लेते हो उसको burn करना है, otherwise you will become obese or they may cause obesity. Clear? Next, vitamins and minerals. What are the sources of vitamins and minerals? Write it. Yes, very good. Sources of vitamins and minerals are fruits and vegetables. Do we get these from plants only? True or false? It is false, because some of the minerals we obtain from milk products also. Milk से भी हमें मिलते हैं. Like fish से हमें vitamin D मिलता है, and calcium we get from milk. तो सभी plant से नहीं मिलते, some of them we get from animal products also. But we say कि in order to get vitamins and minerals, we should go for fruits and vegetables, because maximum जो vitamins and minerals हैं, we get from seasonal fruits and vegetables. So they are called protective food, and they keep our body fit, and they help to fight against diseases. अगर हम सभी vitamins और minerals नहीं लेंगे तो we will suffer from deficiency diseases, which we do in the next class. Clear? अगर vitamin A नहीं लेंगे, then we will suffer from night blindness. अगर हम vitamin B नहीं लेंगे, we will suffer from very disease. So vitamin A is good for eyesight. Vitamin B keeps our muscles and our nervous system strong. Vitamin C is good for our teeth and gums, and it protects us from infections. And vitamin D is very good for your bones. And minerals also, they help to grow well, they help to develop properly. Like, can you name a few minerals? Yes, write it, beta. Very good. It's iron, it's calcium, it's iodine. Iron is very essential for the formation of hemoglobin. हीमोग्लोबिन की फॉर्मेशन के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. And iodine is good for the proper functioning of thyroid gland, and iron is essential for the formation of hemoglobin. Okay, it's red pigment in the blood, and calcium is good for the bones. Okay, beta. So we should take all minerals properly. Then comes roughage. We get it from plant products. Skin of the plant products like fruits and vegetables is good source of roughage, and we call it fiber also. Clear? Fiber भी हम इन्हें कहते हैं. And it makes our digestive system strong and it checks constipation. Although we cannot digest roughage, हम इसको digest नहीं कर सकते, but it is very essential for the body to keep our digestive system healthy. जैसे आप teeth को brush करते हो to clean them, तो fiber it cleans our digestive tract. हमारे digestive tract को ये strong बनाता है. Clear? Then next is it helps to get rid of undigested food. उसकी cleanliness करता है digestive system की. Then why do we need water? Write it in the chat box. Why do we need water? Water हम क्यों पीते हैं? We say we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. We should drink water. Why should we drink water? In order to, because it keeps our yes, again some problem is there. Why do we drink water? Because it helps to keep our digestive, because it helps to keep our body temperature constant. ये हमारे body temperature को constant करता है, and it removes the waste products from the body. Body से हमारे जो waste को remove करता है, and many reactions takes place in the presence of water. हमारे जो blood का main part है, that is water. So water is very essential for the body. It helps in digestion also. Clear? So it helps in digestion of food and removes the waste from the body, and it maintains our body temperature. That's why we should drink water. Next, exercise, rest and proper posture. सबसे पहले rest. सबसे पहले exercise. We should go for exercise to remain healthy. Okay, to keep fit, to keep yourself energetic. आप लैपटॉप के सामने बैठ के गेम्स खेलते हो, वो नहीं खेलनी. कहाँ पे खेलनी है? आउटडोर गेम्स. You should go for skipping, okay, running, or you should go for outdoor games in order to stay fit. It helps to improve your blood circulation. Okay, your cells, your tissues, it get enough amount of oxygen and blood. It helps to make you fit and energetic. So growing children, they need to go for outdoor games daily. Clear? Next comes rest. Rest, it refreshes your mind. ये आपके माइंड को रिफ्रेश करने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. So rest is equally important to make your body fit and healthy. It helps to repair worn out cells. Clear? And next is the hygiene. You should take bath. You should clean your hands properly in order to make them germs free. अब कोविड का टाइम है तो आपको बोलते ना अगेन एंड अगेन यू शुड गो फॉर हैंड वॉश. दैट इज टू रिमेन योरसेल्फ हाइजीनिक अपने आप को, एंड यू शुड टेक केयर ऑफ hygiene of your body. your house and your surrounding also. Clear? अपनी surrounding को भी आप clean रखोगे. Clear? It will help you to stay healthy. Next is the proper posture. Posture means position in which you sit, you stand, or you walk. When you sit, you should keep your back straight. आप अपनी back को straight रखोगे. Clear? Bend नहीं होना. You should not lean forward to read and write. It will put stress on your back. So it is not good for your health. So you may get pain in the back or in the neck. Clear? We call it cervical, and this is very common problem this time. In these days, it's common problem. So you should sit properly. You should stand properly, or you should walk properly. You should not bend your back. Clear, beta? Now it's time to do concept check. Open your books, page 20. First one is that is